Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have. So, hello, I need your help today. I'm glad I'm here to assist you. It's for a bilingual French and English school in Paris, France, preschool, primary school, middle school, and high school in the same place. Okay, so you need your help. It's for a bilingual French and English school in Paris, France. Yeah, preschool, primary school, middle school, and high school in the same place. I have a Google Ads campaign that is performing well in Paris and the cities around. Okay, I got it. That it is performing well in Paris and the cities around. I have an international campaign. I have several countries in it written in English for people who is coming to live in Paris, France, and looking for a school for their children. However, it's not performing well. It's the opposite. It's adult people who want to come to Paris, France, and looking for a way to do it. Most of them in African countries. I need some advice on how to set the international campaign to target the right people. Parents who are looking to come to live in Paris, France, as expert because of their work. Do I need few international campaign, for example, English-speaking countries, sub ads, USA, UK, Australia, UK, or campaign to South America? Or campaign three countries, how to target the right people. Okay, so just to let you know that you cannot target multiple countries in the same campaign. It's by principle that you have to have a separate campaign for each country. Now that is a very standard rule. Okay, but my advice is look for your existing data in your school, from which countries, which country, I mean from you can get a data like uh, what are the top three countries from which students are have joined this school in past year. Okay, so once we get a data, we can create specific campaigns for those. Okay, that is a very good way. That is a very good way. Uh, but you also need to understand the keyword. I believe that what keywords, kind of a keywords you are targeting, that also we might be confusing. Because if you are targeting people who want to shift to, France, obviously that could not always be a right strategy. We may have to look around on some other thing, probably keywords related to someone searching schools in France. Okay, this keyword, someone searching outside of France, could be a potential client. Okay, I also think that apart from your campaign type, you need to work a lot or a lot on your keyword selection and landing page optimization. Okay, that is my personal opinion, that you have to work around on these things, because I think that this can be a very crucial role in optimizing your campaign. If you are targeting uh, keywords related if you are targeting keywords related to immigration, I believe this might not be an optimal approach. Okay, because uh, because the people who are searching related to immigration are more likely interested in immigration procedures rather studying. So we have to see something like schools in France, or we have to look around. Also, I believe that you can use SEMrush to figure out your keyword, your competitor strategies. Okay, that can also play a very crucial role in your marketing, like what they are doing, what kind of keywords they are targeting, what kind of ads they have, and then from the ads you can look around on the landing pages to figure out what exactly they are working on. But this could be a potential way as well, and that can also tell you on what is working well for your competitors, and you can learn from them and create a similar or even a much better strategy from them. So I hope this answers your question. So first is you cannot target multiple countries in the same campaign, and you have to have a separate campaign for each campaign, and that is a minimum thing. Rather than this, I believe that picking out top best strategy is uh, uh, picking out top cities in specific country rather targeting whole. Okay, again you have to work around on it on which are the top cities through which people are coming in France, which are top cities through which people are coming in France. Okay, you can get this data through Wikipedia or through your local consultants, immigration consultants, or from a government, or you can search around to figure out what exactly. But again, this is an optional strategy. This could be if you get this data, then it's a good. Otherwise, it's okay if you do not have this data. You could even create an international campaign for country specific as well. But my observation so far is that wrong keyword selection, and then a landing page optimization is required, and then figuring out what your competitors are doing can also help you apart from your these strategies. So I hope this answers the question. But in case if you're looking for professional help in creating a Google Ads campaign, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.